2024, a year of growth, risk, and redefining what's possible. I started the year in school, telling myself it was a smart backup plan, but deep down, I knew I was stalling. I decided to drop out. This path isn't always easy. The grind, competition, and the long days weren't always glamorous, but my camera became my passport, taking me to places I never imagined, introducing me to incredible people, and showing me what it means to chase a dream. Now let's take a break from the realness and watch the year unfold.